Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'll be taking you through the Kyber network. Kyber network is a new system which allows the exchange and conversion of digital assets, connecting the tokenized world. You can click this button to learn more. Swap tokens instantly with a few clicks. Simple, instant and secure. You can click this button to swap now. Powering decentralized liquidity for the ecosystem. Instant, developer friendly and diverse token pool. You can click this button to see documentation. A new standard for democratic token sales. Coming soon. Powering the next phase of the tokenized world. You can always put your email over here to subscribe to this channel. So I'm going to end the video right here. Go to the WeirdCoins website to find more information about Bitcoin. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below.